Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to clean the speaker on a Motorola Moto E6 playphone. The first thing we need to do is turn off the phone. Never clean your phone while it is turned on. We start by pressing the power button, selecting power off, and waiting until the phone is completely turned off, including the speaker. Here we have the glass panel, and this is the part we'll be cleaning, because this is where the speaker is located. So, the most convenient thing to use for this is isopropyl alcohol. 100% pure, because it will dissolve the dirt and also help remove it, and then it will completely evaporate from the phone, leaving no trace behind. There's also a rectangular brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard, but not hard, because hard bristles could scratch your phone. You can buy such a brush and a diffuser for alcohol as a set, for example on Amazon. And if you don't have one, you can use a regular toothbrush and some small container for the alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. So once we have everything ready, we turn the phone to the side, because it will be more convenient for us to clean it that way. The phone will be on its side, so that we can hold it with 2 fingers and keep it steady. When we clean it, we drip some alcohol onto the toothbrush. Or just use whatever brush you have. As long as you have isopropyl alcohol at a good price, make sure the brush is clean and properly soaked, so it's wet. Once we're ready, we take the phone, hold it as I mentioned, and clean in one direction, repeating the motion about 10 to 15 times in that same direction. Always in one direction, not back and forth, because if you go both ways, you won't actually clean it. You'll just move the dirt around the speaker opening, only in one direction. 10 to 15 times, and then do exactly the same in the other direction, again 10 to 15 times. If the speaker is very dirty, it's best to repeat this process. Repeat it 2 to 3 times, so that's about 30 to 45 strokes in each direction to get it done. That way you'll have a perfectly clean speaker opening. After cleaning, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate. After that time, you can turn the phone on and use it normally, and everything should work properly. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.